Arnie?
It is me, Arnie. Who is me?
Oh, Arnie, it is me, Diva. How are you?
I'm fine. How about you?
I'm fine too, thanks. Well, I heard that you went to study overseas.
Yes, that's right.
Well, where do you want to go? Australia, US or UK?
UK is my destination.
Woo, good! I hope you choose a good major.
Actually, I went to study art and design.
Really?
Yes, of course.
By the way, have you convinced your parents?
Yes, I have. They are for me 100%.
That's good. Well, when you go to the UK?
Inshallah, I will go in next week.
Really? I will meet with you before you go to the UK.
Yes, when we meet.
I have class speaking tomorrow, but we can meet at night.
Okay, see you